Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a bull spread calculator using Microsoft Excel. It's a pretty easy thing to do here. You only need to know a few pieces about the stock and the calculator will do the rest for you. So let's go ahead and begin. This is going to be a pretty quick video here, so try to keep up. If you have any questions, you can feel free to enter them below in the comments. So the first two pieces that you'll need to know are the buy and sell strike price. So you're buying a call and you're selling a call, and then you'll need to know the premiums paid for each of those. So in this example, the buy call is 215 and the sell call is 230. The premium paid for the buy call is 768 and the premium credited for the sell call is $1.42. So now we're going to create and calculate the break even. So in order to do this, what you'll do is take the buy strike price and you're going to add the difference between the premium paid and the credit received. For this example, the break even is going to be 221.26. The next piece here is we're going to list a bunch of different stock prices, and this will tell us what our return is going to be based on the stock price. So we're going to go from 200 to 250. And essentially what this is going to do is calculate the return for both of the calls based on the stock price. So return for call 1, this is my buy call. Return for call 2 is going to be my sell call. And then in column E, we're going to have profit and loss, which will take the net profit loss from both of those. So the formula for this is going to be an if function. You'll do if the stock price is greater than the strike price, and you want to lock the cells here so that it doesn't move. The value, if true, is going to be stock price minus strike price minus the premium paid, and make sure to lock the strike price and the premium paid cells. And then the value, if false, so if stock price is not greater than strike price, then you'll take a negative premium, which is basically saying if the stock price doesn't meet the strike price, then you are going to lose, essentially max loss there is the premium paid. So you can see right at around 223, 221.36 or 26, whatever it is, for our break even is showing that that's exactly where you turn from a negative to a positive. So now the formula for the return for call 2 is somewhat the same. What you'll do is take, if the stock price is greater than the sell strike price, then take the sell strike price and subtract the stock price. Make sure to lock the strike price cells again, plus the premium received or the credit received, which is $1.42 in this case. Make sure to lock that. That's the value of true. The value of false is just the premium credit received, which is $1.42. Make sure to lock that. And then from here, you can see the max profit and loss based on the sell call. So now in column E, we're going to calculate the profit and loss. This is pretty easy. You're just going to take equals the return for call 1 minus the return for call 2. And then go ahead and copy that all the way down. And now you have your max profit and loss. So if you have a lot of numbers here, you can summarize this pretty quickly through a couple different functions. First function for max profit is equals max. Select all of those numbers in profit and loss, and then hit enter. And that will give you max profit. And max loss, same thing, equals min. Select all those numbers, hit enter, and it'll give you the max loss. So this should save you some time here. It may take a little bit to build out, but you can run many different scenarios and it'll tell you the max profit, max loss, your break even, and then it'll kind of give you a real-time feel for where your option's at depending on what the stock price is. And that's the bull spread calculator.